Hello, welcome back. This is part 2 of hoovering, and I've got a stain remover for the carpet bit, which I'm going to try in a minute. One of the leather seats. If this video gets 200 likes, I will crack an egg on my head. Every YouTuber is doing something funny because Lee Lockwood dressed up as a girl. And I thought that was a little bit funny, so I'm going to do something a little bit weird, but anyway. And we are killing it with the comments, subscribers and likes. I've got my leather seats in, as you can see. Hang on. Very nice. It's not what I'll... Basically they would do. There's a little bit of tears and all that, but they would do. I don't know when it is, but I'm going to get some diesel and basically drive this out of the garage and then show you around the car properly. If that's something that you might be interested with, give us a like. Can we have a like, subscribe, follow, and a comment please? Thank you, bye bye.